the state wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party on Thursday dared the State Health Minister Vishwajit Rane to step down from the ministerial berth and face the by-elections as a common man.
Vishwajit Rane, who was an independent MLA, resigned from the membership of the Legislative Assembly last month to join the Congress party, resulting in the Valpoi seat falling vacant. Recently, Vishwajit has entered into a war of words with the BJP over the state government-built district hospital in Mapsa, which the minister wants to hand over to a private agency over public-private partnership.
की ही जी नाटकां करता, एक दीस तुका मंत्रीपद घेवच्या आदी रावंक जमलें ना. जर जाता जाल्यार इलेक्शना पर्यंत आमी तुजी चॅलेंज स्वीकारता, आमचीय स्वीकार. मंत्रीपदाची जी वल्कलां आसात ती काडून दवर आनी सामान्य नागरीक म्हणून इलेक्शनाक राव आनी सामान्य नागरीक म्हणून निवडून ये. वाळपयकरांचे किंवा 70 वासियांचे तुका पाठबळ आसा हें दाखय. आज मंत्रीपदाची वल्कलां आसतना तूं गव्हर्नमेंट मशिनरी सगळी गैरवापर करता, पूर्ण गैरवापर करता आणि लोकांचेर दबाव हाडून राजकारण करता.
The BJP has opposed the semi-privatization of the hospital located in Mapsa town. Mr. Parsikar said that the health minister was delaying the inauguration of the newly built hospital as he wanted to hand it over to a private party.
आणि ते जसे पयलीं असले केवळ 10 रुपया रजिस्ट्रेशन फी दितकीर सगळ्यो सुविधा थंय सामान्य मनशाक मेळूंक जाय, उत्तर गोंयच्या आम आदमीक मेळूंक जाय. थंय प्रायव्हेटायझेशन करपाचो प्रश्न येना. भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो प्रायव्हेटायझेशन हे हॉस्पिटल करपाक विरोध आसा. आमी ह्या विशयाचेर लगेच मुख्यमंत्र्याकूय मेळटले. सरकारान प्रायव्हेटायझेशन करपाचो निर्णय हेचेर घेतलेलो आसा काय कितें?
Mr. Parsikar said the BJP would meet the Chief Minister on July 16th, demanding immediate shifting of the Azila hospital operations to the new premises.
आता तो टेंडरां आपयतलो हे हॉस्पिटलाचो मोड ठरोवपा खातीर टेंडरां. मागीर तो ठरल्या नंतर मागीर प्रत्यक्ष टेंडरां दुसरी आसतली हॉस्पिटल चलोवपा खातीर. ज्या माणसान कोर्टात आश्वासन दिलां जुलै 2009 पर्यंत आपण चालू करतलो म्हणून ज्या सरकारान, त्या सरकारचो मंत्री आज वर्ष जातकीर ही भाषा उलयता.
Health Minister on Wednesday said that the state government is in the process of appointing a consultant to work out a joint venture partnership to run the hospital. Mr. Rane had snubbed BJP's demand for immediate shifting of the hospital operations and dubbed the demand as politicization of health sector.